Hey there, friends! So this October, we've got something super exciting just for you when you shop with Norwex. It's our Spend and Save mystery bags. I always love these so much. So what's the deal with these mystery bags? So I'm gonna break it down for you. So these awesome bags, they are packed with surprises and lots of goodies, and you're getting them all at 50% off retail. That means you're gonna score some amazing Norwex products for half the price, and who doesn't love a good deal, right? So there are 3 mystery bag options for you to choose from. You can get 1, 2, or all 3 of them. So first up, we have a $30 bag when you spend $125 or more, and it's valued at 60 bucks. The second one is a $45 bag when you spend $175 and you're getting $90 worth of product. Or you can get a $50 bag when you spend $250 or more, and the $50 bag is valued at $100 in Norwex products. So how do you qualify? It's really easy. You just shop your favorite Norwex products, you hit the minimum spending limit on your cart, and then you can grab 1, 2, or 3 of these amazing mystery bags at checkout. And you're not gonna know what's inside, but trust me, it's gonna be full of Norwex goodness, perfect for either pampering yourself, taking care of your home, or maybe just stocking up on some holiday gifts. But don't wait, because these bags are only available this month, and once they're gone, they're gone.